In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter, so your billing details are set up correctly and securely. I'll walk you through the path step by step, and I won't show any personal information on screen, but I'll clearly describe what you'll see and what to do. Start by moving to the bottom left corner of your ChatGPT window. Click your profile, which may show your avatar or initials. A small menu will appear. From there, select Settings. This opens a panel where you can manage your account preferences. In that panel, look for the Billing section. Click Billing to open the page where payment details and invoices are managed. On the billing page, find the area labeled Payment Methods. Here, you'll see any existing methods if you've added them before. To add a new one, click Add New. This opens a secure form where you'll enter your details. First, enter your card information. You'll typically see fields for the card number, expiration date, the CVC or security code, and the cardholder's name. Type everything carefully, exactly as it appears on your card. Take a moment to double-check the expiration date and the security code to avoid common typos that can cause declines. Next, scroll to the billing address section. Enter the address associated with your card, including street address, city, state or region, postal code, and country. It's important that this matches your bank's records. Even small differences, like abbreviations, missing apartment numbers, or a swapped zip code, can lead to a failed charge. So match your statement format as closely as possible. When everything looks correct, proceed to save or add the payment method. The system may run a quick verification. Occasionally, your bank might place a small temporary authorization to confirm the card is valid. This is normal and should drop off automatically. If you run into an error, recheck the billing address formatting and ensure the card supports online transactions and international charges if applicable. Also, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're signed in to the correct account before trying again. That's it. Your new payment method is now added. You can return to the billing section anytime to review, update, or remove a card. Keep your information secure and only enter details on the official ChatGPT billing page. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher while you're adding your payment method.